In our last sessions, we built the concepts of perimeter and area and also built the name of the lesson by engaging students in a classroom discussion. Moving on, in this session, we will implement the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation to explain the concept of measuring perimeter and area of rectangles and various other objects using squares. And this will be done by engaging students in a hands-on activity followed by some inquiries. So, let's begin. Initiate a discussion to lead the students to the concept of perimeter and area. Ask them, identify the object in your bag with the longest and smallest perimeters and note down in your notebooks. Relevant responses for this can be smallest perimeter, eraser, sharpener, and longest perimeter, math book, notebook, and so on. Estimating perimeter and area by observation will aid in developing critical thinking skills among students. Next, make a square grid on the board as shown and ask the students to copy the same in their notebooks. Inform the students to place the smallest object from their bag on the grid and trace it. Ask the students to identify the area covered in terms of number of squares. Also, tell them to measure the length of its boundary using a ruler. Following this, ask the students, what objects have you traced? The responses can be eraser, sharpener, ruler, and so on. Follow their responses with another question, such as how many squares have the objects covered? Accept all relevant responses. Then ask them, what is the length of its boundary? Students will respond with varied lengths. But that's not all. We will continue to explain the concept in detail in our next video.